Hey guys, it's Brad here. Quick one just before we start. If you want help improving faster and you want a little bit more structure with your playing, I do offer one-to-one online lessons. You can find the details below, link in the description. Head on over to the website, get in touch. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play All I Have to Do Is Dream by the Everly Brothers. Nice and simple, beginner friendly. Let's get straight in. Okay, so first things first, we're in standard tuning. We just need to pop the capo there on fret number 4. This makes the song much easier and avoids all the bar chords. So here's the chords we're gonna need. We're gonna need a C chord. We're gonna need C7. We're gonna need A minor, F. The F can also be played as an F major 7, so just second string up for the bottom 1, string above 2, string above 3. We can also, the next chord we need is G. We also need an E minor, a D minor, and a D7. So you just need to make sure you've got all them chords down first. Again, quick run through, so C, C7, A minor, F, G, E minor, D minor, and D7. Just make sure you got them chords down first before moving on to the next bit. Okay, so the main progression for most of the song is just a C, A minor, F, and G. And that repeats throughout the intro and most of the verse. So again, just C, A minor, F, and G. We just really want to keep this simple. And we're going to start with just 2 down strums per chord. So let's try that. So C, A minor, F, and G. So again, we don't want to overcomplicate it at this stage. We're going to focus on smooth changes, making sure we can transition to each chord. I'm just going to give you a quick demo of what that sounds like with the opening section, the intro and the verse. So, dream, 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 when I want you in my arms, when I want you, and all your charms. Yeah, and it just pretty much repeats that throughout the intro and all the verses. So if you've got that down, let's move on to the next section. Okay, so the only real time that it changes is at the end of the verse, after we've done our C, A minor, F, and G. Right at the end of the verse, we have a C, F, C to C7. So I'll give you a quick demo of that. And I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is C, then F, then C, C7. And that's like a little turnaround just before we go to the bridge. Again, them chords there were C, F, C, C7. So practice that before moving on to the bridge section. Okay guys, so we're going to look at the bridge section. Now, as this is a beginner version, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to recommend to do single strum for this section. Again, it is a beginner tutorial, so we're going to keep it super simple. So, the order of the chords here, we have an F, E minor, we have D minor, G, then C, then C7, F, E minor, D7, D7 again, then to G. So again, I'm just going to recommend keep this section, the bridge, single strum, as there's lots of chords. Again, if you're a little bit more advanced, maybe you can add some extra strums in, but keep it simple for now. So let me give you a quick demo of that. So I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. 7. Only trouble is E minor, G whiz, D7. I'm dreaming my life away. So just keep it super simple. Single strum for that section is what I would advise. Cool, so if you got that section, let's move on. Okay, so once you've got the chords down, you can add a little bit of strumming. Again, don't recommend it for the bridge, but definitely for the verses and the intro section where the chords are a little bit more simplified. Now, all we're gonna do is down, down, up. Down, down, up for every chord. Same on the A minor. Same on the F. G, down, down, up. So I'll go through that again with all the chords. So a little blast with the verse and the intro. Dream, 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 dream. Dream, dream, dream when I want you in my arms. Yeah, and it just sort of just goes through like that. So just to add a little bit more colour, we're going to add a down, down, up on every chord just to make it a little bit more interesting. Again, if you're a complete beginner, keep it simple. Just the 2 strums that we started with is absolutely fine and it will sound great. But again, for the bridge, keep it single strum. All right, so that's how you play. All I have to do is dream. If you've enjoyed this one, do hit that like and subscribe. Got plenty more beginner friendly lessons coming up. And if you want a little bit more help progressing beyond just the basics, do get in touch about one-to-one. Again, link to my website below. Just drop me a message and we'll sort some lessons out. Hope that's helped and I'll see you again in the next one.